people like hold up, are you putting stupid people that like are you asking niggas like shit that you know niggas don't know and then putting them on fucking YouTube because you fucking know it? Hell no. I am not about to be your victim, nigga. Fuck that. Fuck hell no. You got me fucked up. You got me twisted, nigga. I ain't going for that shit, nigga. Now listen, run him. Run him though, run him. Come on, come on. Because we only got a minute. I'm not rematching you. That's oh. If I got the question right, it should be 80, right? Or if not, then it's 20. You're supposed to do the 80-20 rule. No, run the question. Wait, run the question again. Hey, you know, I'm thinking about fucking investments and shit. All right. I say 10. Yeah, I say 10. I say 10. Run another one. Yeah. Who? Can you use it in this? D. 'D, niggas. Telescope, man. It's motherfucking nah. All right, come on. Yo. All right. Go ahead. 3 to 5 trade line. I mean, trade line. I think it was what you said. Say the answers again. Uh huh. Hey, hey, they're a fucking vendor. Yeah, for sure. A answer, B answer, C. Nigga, what's the definition? When your bitch got your card number, like she know your passcode. One has a security deposit. Okay. I would say one is to really secure your future, and the other is just for you to spend money wherever you need to spend it. Thank you for the gift. And we got 3 more, right? 3 more fucking questions. Okay, so secured is you gotta do what? Say it again, because I'm listening to you. Right. A debt collector, nigga, that mean HBIC. What's the? Tell me the answers again, because I'm thinking it's A. From what's the answers? Yeah, for sure. Hey, listen, you right too. I see. I see it. I see it. I promise you, I see it. Number 8. Both B and C. That's what I'm talking about, nigga. I'm dope and I don't even fuck with credit. I need to though. Shit, I want to say a 7 piece, bruh. But I know, but look at, I listen, I like, but go ahead. You said I got it right. I wanted to say like, I want to say 7, but I thought that was I thought it was like you can get it expunged or some shit like that. You know what I mean? Criminal. My bad. I'm over here thinking, where we at 9? Oh shit. One year, nigga. Shit. What is it? Fuck. So is it like 2 out of 10? 80%, 70%, some shit? Like 8.5. After that it was like boom, 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 and then we ran into it. Yeah. I think I missed like 3. You feel me? 70%, 80%. That's dope. That's dope, nigga.